Hey, hello and welcome to the new episode of AV Fix. Now,
today we're going to look at your 4K screen. Alright, so your boardroom has a 4K screen and the cable connected to your laptop is HDMI 2.0. Now, that cable can only carry 18 gigabytes per second. A full 4K color needs 26. So the signal automatically compresses. So you're not seeing 4K, you never were seeing 4K. Now this is called as chroma subsampling. 444 means every pixel get full color. 420 what HDMI 2.0 delivers at 4K. Alright, what it means is only 1 in 4 pixel gets color data. The rest are estimated. For the video is fine. For spreadsheet, brand colors and small text, this is where things get slightly soft. The HDMI race. The HDMI 2.0 is 18 gigabits. The HDMI 2.1 is 48 gigabits. DisplayPort 1.4 is 32 gigabits. Now the cable you use determines whether you are actually getting the image quality you paid for. Most boardrooms are running on HDMI 2.0 and this generally doesn't get checked. Here is the real world example. Spreadsheet cells, borders look slightly fuzzy, brand red bleeds into orange, small text in a team screen share looks a bit muddy from across the room. Everyone assumes that it's the display quality, it could be just the cable standard. So what's the fix? Okay, obviously the first fix is use HDMI 2.1. Second one is use DisplayPort 1.4. Now most commercial display have this. Number 3, check your Windows display setting right now. If it says YCB CR430 instead of RGB, that could be the problem. Change it, it takes less than 30 seconds. Hopefully this helps. Thank you so much.